Home inspectors play a pivotal role in the selling process, ensuring a smooth transaction for both parties. In the past, buyers often waived inspections to strengthen their offer. However, the trend is now shifting back to embracing inspections and addressing repairs. By joining forces with the Whitehouse team, you'll have an expert by your side to help you identify and prioritize the necessary updates and repairs to maximize your home's potential before it hits the market and before you purchase. Thank you for watching. To learn more about the Whitehouse team, Doug, Kathy, Billy, and Samantha, and how they can support you in navigating the complexities of real estate, we encourage you to reach out. You can contact me, Billy Whitehouse, directly at 248-540-8100 or visit us online at http://letstalk.whitehouses.net. We eagerly await the opportunity to connect with you and address your unique needs.